Hi, my name is Chris Schmiedeke from Divorce Simplified. I think the number one question we hear when we are doing a Dallas divorce is, how much is this going to cost me? In most situations, the attorney is going to tell you, I don't know, it depends. It depends on how complex your case is. It depends on how long it lasts. It depends on, how contentious the other side is. I really don't know what the ultimate cost is, but you can expect somewhere between, and then they're going to throw out a number, $5,000 to $25,000, but you're going to give us $10,000 down as a retainer, and we're going to bill out of that hourly at $500 an hour. And then, of course, the next logical question is, well, how many hours is this going to take? And again, well, we won't really know. Typically, it could be anywhere between, 50 to 250 hours. Well, okay, you multiply that out, and that is a huge disparity in the pricing. I mean, it could be $10,000, it could be $100,000. They're not going to give you that number. The problem with that is that it creates uncertainty for you. You don't know what this is going to cost. You can't budget for it. If you need to borrow money to pay for the fees, you don't know how much to borrow because they can't give you a number. You're just given a retainer up front. They bill hourly, and when that retainer is exhausted, you got to pay them more or they get off your case. However, we do things differently here. We offer flat fee pricing for agreed divorces and contested divorces. What does that mean? It means we're going to give you one flat fee that's going to cover your case from the beginning to the end of the case, and you're going to know what that number is when you walk out the door. It'll look a little something like this. You come in for your meeting, you sit down, you talk to our team, they quote you a price, you make a decision, that sounds like a deal, I want to do it. You sign the retainer agreement, we do the work, that's it. Fixed fee, we offer payment plans on those fixed fees, and that is your price. There are no surprises. It's all discussed up front. We believe in transparency. You may ask yourself, well, how come you do this and nobody else is doing this? Well, because I have over 30 years experience in the practice of family law. I have a very good idea how these cases work. And quite frankly, I'm willing to take the risk where other attorneys are not. So when somebody bills you hourly, they put all the risk on you. You're the one who assumes all the risk of what the cost is going to be. When a firm bills you on a flat fee, they're the ones assuming all the risk. So what does that mean for us? We have to be efficient. We need to move the case efficiently, and we can't let these cases drag on. That's a win-win for everybody. That's a win for us. That's a win for you. Because I can assure you, the longer a divorce case takes, the more emotional and the more frustrated you're going to be. If you'd like to find out more about our flat fee pricing, we'll put a link in the description and you can contact us for a consultation. And as always, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to the channel by clicking the little alarm bell, and it will notify you when I post new videos.